everyone. Hello. So, what happened to our stablecoin after Terra Luna? Now we have a simple, yet effective, solution. You can help USDC overtake Tether. USD is the most popular stablecoin for the US dollar by clicking the like button. Many of the funds that were withdrawn from Terra Luna and its third classic, we had to talk about the dollar's impact on market conditions. Exactly what happened to the market as a whole. USD is the lowest ever market cap to volume ratio for the USD. Never before has a 5,556 billion USD value reached such a low point. 80 to 90% of its market value has fallen, and it's currently trading at around $66 billion. Due to this, several people withdrew their participation. US has never gone close to challenging its dominion over this stablecoin industry in terms of the dimension disparity between markups. However, these are the only two stablecoins available at this time, right? As a result of this, when crypto begins to crash, all of these cryptos begin to drop in value at the same time, right? The details we're seeing are just becoming worse. To sum it up, a lot of unpleasant things have happened recently. In August 2020, the USD market capitalization ratio was above 9. As can be seen in the graph below, it hit an all-time low of 120 in July. DXY market value could reach that of USD in a matter of months, if not weeks, given that there are less than 10 billion hours separating the use of stablecoins. On the Ethereum blockchain and in crypto, USD has already been flipped and used in real volume. As a result of the May collapse of Terra's 40 billion algorithmic stablecoin project, investors have become more hesitant about using it after Terra Luna. A lot of investors are apprehensive about these cryptos. And don't just look at other coin markets, where many investors have allegedly sold all of their Luna, but also all of their tokens, stablecoins, and other conventional assets. It has led to a rise in short selling, and the likelihood that utilized it will fall below its $1 price point. According to a story in the Wall Street Journal, these negative holdings could be valued as much as $300 million. Bets on Tether's inability to redeem all of its USD for $1 in the event of a bank run were placed. Breaking the peg means people will begin to sell their stablecoins at a lower price. So what's next for Tether at this point? We don't know for sure. Terra Luna, on the other hand, would be the subject of such an event. Terra Luna, on the other hand, sparked a lot of apprehension. As a result, the government began enforcing its own regulations. In addition, the government has begun investigating the matter. Even if something does happen on Terra, it will be much more difficult. In the event that people begin selling other stablecoins, we could witness the same scenario we saw with Tether because of his tendency to fluctuate between $1 and more than $1 amid market turmoil. On one of its subsidiary companies, it was as low as 85 cents. Bitfinex has run out of money. Rumors circulated about this. After Terra's collapse in May, the value of USD momentarily dropped to 97 cents. Stablecoins, on the other hand, recover to the dollar every time. Therefore, crypto crashes occur on a regular basis. And what we're seeing now is simply crypto's recovery. Terra Luna Classic, on the other hand, has yet to make a full recovery. Terra Luna Classic USD is therefore still a long way from a $1 peg. Why do you think this is? That's what I mean. People, stablecoins are great, but if they're controlled to the point where they can't be trusted, it's going to be horrible right now. Although many have departed, most remain. The majority of investors remain in the crypto industry. They are just waiting for the bottom to come in. Bitcoin's market cap fell by 7%, but stablecoins dropped by 11%. Many people have sold their Bitcoin, and our analysis shows that we'll be buying back stablecoins at the perfect time. Our current situation illustrates this perfectly. For now, the majority of people are holding their stablecoins, and we have 25 billion loaded bullets that can drive crypto asset prices up. If you're going to use stablecoins to acquire Bitcoin like a lot of people are, the question isn't how or when, but rather when and how often. If there's anything more you'd like to know, please let me know.